Hi guys, it's Raevonshae, and today we're going to discuss Facebook Reels monetization. What are the requirements and how to get an invite to the bonus program so that you can start getting paid with Facebook Reels. On February 22nd, 2022, Mark Zuckerberg made a statement on his Facebook page. It says, Reels is already our fastest growing content format by far, and today we're making it available to everyone on Facebook globally. We want Reels to be the best place for creators to connect with their community and make a living, so we're launching new monetization tools too. More details in the comments. So what does that mean? It means that everybody globally has access to Facebook Reels. Now, you want to start putting yourself in position to get monetized and get paid from Facebook Reels bonus program. So there are a few things that you need to do. They have requirements that you need to meet in order to even get the invite. So it says here, Reels Play on Facebook will pay a bonus to eligible Facebook creators whose Reels get at least 1,000 views over a 30-day period on Facebook. Reels from creators is the invite-only program, must meet our content monetization policies, and the content must be owned by the creator in order to count towards the bonus. The Reels Play on Facebook bonus program is currently invite-only. Creators who are invited will be notified in the Facebook app and in the Creator Studio and can sign up to learn more here. Okay. The steps that you want to do in order to increase your chances of getting your invite sooner is this. Step 1, you want to create a Facebook business page. Can you do it from your personal page? Yes, you can. But it's better to create a Facebook business page for the long-term purposes. But either way, it's fine. Do it how you want to do it. But that's step 1, create your Facebook business page is what I recommend. Step 2, you want to start inviting your friends to like your business page. After you get your business page all set up, invite all your friends over there. They have a button that you can click to invite your friends to your business page, and then you can start building it up with your followers. Step 3, start posting Reels. Create your Reels the same way you would create a TikTok video or you would create a Instagram Reel. You create it the same exact way. If you don't know how to create Reels at all, I'll have a new video that I'll post teaching you how to create Reels. But if you know how to create Reels, start creating your Reels and start sharing them so you can start getting views to your Reels. You want to at least get 1,000 views on each Reel if you can. As long as you get 1,000 views between a 30-day time frame, you should be putting yourself in a position to get an invite. It's not guaranteed, guys. It's invite only. We don't know how they're inviting, but it says right here, if your Reels are getting 1,000 views in a 30-day time frame, you should be getting an invite. So start making your Reels and sharing them and trying to get the views on your Reels. Make sure you're posting original, unique content, guys. You can't just take a video from TikTok and upload it to your page and think they're going to monetize you for that particular video if it's not your content. And if you're taking videos from other platforms, download an app so that you can remove the watermark. You can download Snaptic, you can download TikTok Downloader, something to remove the watermark off of those videos from other platforms so that you won't get demonetized on Facebook. You don't want to use anybody else's content because some people are actually using other people's content. They're getting a lot of views and they see that they're going to make some money. And then at the end, Facebook is going to audit everything. And then once they see that that is somebody else's content, they're going to give you a violation. So don't use other people's content. Just go and grow your own channel the right way. Use your own content and everything you have. Grow your brand. Use this time to monetize the content and put your own brand out there. But whatever you do, remove those watermarks. If you're taking it from other platforms, you can use your content across any platform, but you don't want to use the watermarks with the content. So that's all I wanted to say. Make sure you're doing everything the right way, because once you get into the program, you want to stay in the program. You don't want to get booted out of the program because you're putting up stuff that don't belong to you and you're using other people's music or copyright claims and all of this other stuff. Just do what the guidelines tell you to do and everything will be perfectly fine. The next step is you want to apply. Click the link in the description and apply here. Once you click the link in the description, you'll scroll down. Express interest in bonuses. You select your page that you just created, or if you already had one, you select your page and then you enter the information, your first name, your last name, email, your page category, and your Instagram URL if you want to put that in there. Your program preferences, challenges, earnings, performance, all of the above. Select all of the above and click submit. Now this is going to submit you so that they can start looking at your page and decide if they want to send you an invite. The more reels you have, the more views you have on your reels, the more people you have following your business page, the more of an opportunity you have to get the invite. So continue to post, and wait. None of us had the bonus program before we were posting. We all were just posting reels. We didn't know anything about any money. We didn't know anything about the bonus program. So we were just posting before any money was involved. Continue to post and wait. Post, get people to your reels and wait. You have to wait for your invite to come, but it sure enough will come if you continue doing what they say do. Everything is all laid out. So they've already said that they're inviting more people, but you just have to wait until your invite comes. We can't tell you when you'll get an invite, but these are the steps to get you closer to getting your invite. So guys, I hope that helped. If you got value from this video, click like, comment, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Have a great one. Bye-bye.